Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to make some delicious pork and shrimp burgers. So let's get started. First, you'll need 1 pound of ground pork and 1 pound of raw, cleaned, minced shrimp. Next, let's create the marinade. Add a teaspoon each of minced garlic and ginger, along with 2 tablespoons each of fish sauce and soy sauce. Season with salt and white pepper to taste. Mix everything together in a large bowl. Now it's time to shape your patties. You can either make mini sliders or larger burgers. It's up to you. Once they're shaped, let them sit in the fridge for at least half an hour before grilling or frying them up. To cook the patties, grill or fry them on medium heat until they reach an internal temperature of 165 F. For minis, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, while larger ones will need about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Serve with sweet chili sauce. Mayploy is my favorite brand. These pork and shrimp burgers are sure to be a hit with your family and friends. Give them a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more delicious recipes like this one. Happy cooking, everyone!